Okay, so we're gonna go from revolution. Oh, what am I doing? Revolution. I get all distracted with that. So we're gonna go from revolutions to radians, and then we're gonna go from minutes to seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, and 1 rev would be what? How many radians? 2 pi. So 2 pi radians. And if you solve that, what's that going to give you for your angular velocity? I think it's like 4.71 or 4.71 radians per second. So now that I have that, I've got all the numbers to plug into that equation. So I'm going to get R is going to equal mu g divided by omega squared. So for mu, we're going to put in 0.122. For g, we're going to put in 9.8 meters per second squared. And for omega, we're going to put in 4.71 radians per second. And see, this is what I mean about the radian messing things up for units. The second squared will cancel the second squared here, and I'll have meters there, but I'm going to have radians squared. So it's going to look like my unit's a meter per radian squared. I told you, as far as the radian thing, just ignore it. We know the radius, how far we are from the center of the circle should be in meters. So ignore it. All right? As long as the meter's up there, we did the math right. And when you solve this, R comes out to be what? 0.0539? Now 0.0539 means 5.39 centimeters. So it is closer than where it was when it was going 33 RPMs. So if we come up to the top here and we look at this, we have that when it was going at 33 RPMs, it could move through a circle like this. So it could move through a circle at 10 centimeters away from the center of the circle. But when we made it go 45, which is faster, then it had to be only 5.39 centimeters away. So it's moving through a smaller circle in part B. And that's what we had to calculate, was what that distance was. If you wanted to actually figure out the coefficient of friction between a coin and a record, you could just have it going at whatever speed you want it to go at, and then just slowly move the coin out. And, as you go out, it's going to go with the record. Keep going further out, it's going to go with the record. At some point, you're going to get to a point where it's going to slide off the record. And that's where you now have overcome what friction you had between the coin and the record. All right?